Hey guys, so today we're gonna do an experiment. So for the past few weeks we've been learning about amino acids and proteins and peptide bonds and all of those stuff. So today we're trying to make something out of it. So basically we're gonna make a bioplastic material out of a protein. In here right now we have milk, so we're gonna use this milk as a protein for now. As you can see here that the milk has protein. Wait, is it focused yet? Yeah, the milk has protein, 9 grams and 14% all of those stuff. So yeah, basically this milk has protein. And the other ingredient you need would be vinegar. Okay, so next basically we're gonna pour some milk into the cup. So okay, so we just poured about 1 cup of milk, as you can see here. Yeah, about 1 cup of milk basically. So right now we're gonna heat this milk, and then later on we're gonna mix it with the vinegar right here. Okay, so now we're ready to heat the milk. So as you see before, I put roughly about 1 cup, about 200 milliliters of milk. So right now we're just gonna heat it up. Okay, so we're probably gonna wait about, I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes. Basically it needs to reach about 50 degrees Celsius, so it doesn't have to boil, but just warm enough for like, you know, when you go to sleep, sometimes when you can't sleep you need warm milk. So yeah, basically around those kind of temperatures when you can drink. So I think I'm just gonna lower down the heat. Okay, anyway, so I've heated this milk for around 1 minute, and I think it's quite warm enough. The required temperature is around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, so yeah, I'm pretty sure it's around that temperature since it's not boiling. So now we're just gonna add vinegar to it. Okay. Okay, so apparently they say that the required vinegar is about 1 tablespoon per cup. So since we put about 1 cup of milk, so I just now I put 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and right now the milk is like, I don't know what's happening. It doesn't look good though. So we're just gonna stir it for quite a while. So just to let you guys know again, I used this type of vinegar. It's basically white vinegar. In here it says "Cuka makan in bahasa Indonesia," yeah, something like this. And I don't know if it's gonna work, but you know, it's an experiment, so I'm gonna try. So as you see here, the milk has changed. I think. Yeah. So now all we're gonna do is just filter the milk, and then we're gonna get I don't know what's it called, but something. Okay, so now we're gonna filter the milk. So yeah, we're just gonna filter the milk. So this is the milk we've got just now, changed. Now we're gonna filter it. So that's what we've got so far. It's not everything though, just want to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, gonna look like something like that. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like porridge, I guess. But okay, anyways, let me try to pour everything. Okay, so this is what we've got. So I'm just gonna try this off. Okay, so now I think it's pretty dry now. So it's been here for about more than 10 minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It's not fully dry yet, but I'm just gonna put this into a container right here. It's still very wet actually. I don't know if I should wait it to dry again, because it's still, indeed, it's still wet, still very wet. But I'm just gonna, I'm probably just gonna dry this a little bit longer. So yeah, that's it for now. Okay, so I've put the what you call it? I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I've put it in the container. It's not as much, to be honest, because this is just first experiment and I'm just trying to find out if it actually works. And yeah, I've waited for it to dry, so it's pretty dry now, but it's still kind of wet, so we gotta wait until it's fully dry. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is the end product. Well, not really the end product, but I'm gonna decorate it again later on. But so far this is what we've got. So I've made it into a keychain. Yeah, I think it's pretty decent for the first time, for the first try. So I'm gonna decorate it in a while. Wait.
2 hours later.
So this is the end product. I know it's not that good, please don't judge my decoration, but at least it's useful. It's a good experiment, I guess, if you guys want to try it at home. Maybe you can make it in a bigger scale or something, but yeah, for the first try, I think this is a good experiment and a good try. So yeah,